Hello, my dear students. Today, ma'am is going to teach you a new lesson in EVS. So, all of you, take out your EVS book. Open your EVS book. Come to page number 57. The name of the lesson is Nature Walk. Lesson number 15, Nature Walk. Now, my dear students, you all are aware God has created so many wonderful things. God has created human beings, animals, water, sun, stars. In the same way, my dear children, plants. Plants are also created by God. So, ma'am will be teaching you a chapter related to plants today. You all have seen different varieties of plants, my dear children. Around your houses, when you come to school, you might have seen variety of plants in your garden also, in your school garden also. Some plants are big, some plants are small. Plants are green in color, so we call plants as our green friends also. So now, my dear children, I will be explaining you this chapter. Mrs. Sharma is our EVS teacher. We are taking a nature walk with her. Now you could see in this picture, the name of the teacher is Mrs. Sharma. She is our EVS teacher. She is their EVS teacher. We are taking a nature walk with her. And the students went out and they are taking a nature walk with her. You could see in this image, beta. You can see students in this image. The students went for a nature walk. They are out. They are out. Might be they are in the garden. So they are out with the teacher. And they went for the nature walk with the teacher. We see many things around us. We see white clouds floating in the blue sky. We see a pond. We see many animals such as ducks, squirrel and parakeets. Now you could see in this image the white clouds in the floating sky. You could see white clouds in the blue floating sky. We can see many animals. Even in the picture you could see many animals. Ducks, squirrel, parakeet. You might have seen these animals. So my dear children, this teacher took the children out for the nature walk. And what all things they are seeing? They are seeing the blue sky, the clouds, different animals, ducks, parakeet, squirrel. We also see many plants. Now, along with these animals, you could see different plants also. You could see different plants also. So, my dear students, the name of the teacher is Mrs. Sharma. She is their EVS teacher and she took the children for the nature walk. You can see the students are with the teacher and they are enjoying in the nature. They are seeing so many varieties of things. They are seeing the white clouds in the floating blue sky, animals, even the plants. Some plants are big, some plants are small. Now, my dear children, you all know that some plants are very big. You don't see all the plants or all the plants or the trees in the same size. No, my dear children. Some plants are quite big and some are small. Very big plants are called trees. Now, my dear children, very big plants are called trees. That trees are fixed up to the soil and that trees are having a big branches, a big trunk, and we can see some big trees in the park. Now, my dear children, very big plants are called trees. You might have seen big trees in the garden, in your houses, near to your houses. You might have seen mango tree, banyan tree. So, you all know na, that trees are quite big. So, we see some big trees in the park also. And in the park also, we see many big trees. There are the mango the gulmohar and the banyan tree. These are the names of the different types of trees. These are the examples. These are the names of the different types of trees. We can see some big trees in the park. They are the mango, the gulmohar and the banyan tree. So, very big plants are called trees. Very big plants are called trees. We see some small plants like grass, rose, cactus. You all might have seen a beautiful flower, rose. You all know rose is red in color, is a very beautiful flower. So the rose plant is quite small. Even the cactus, even the grass. So are small plants. You can see over here a rose flower, a cactus plant. So are small plants. Some plants have thorns. Now, my dear students might be thinking, what is the meaning of the word thorns? Thorns are pointed things on the plants. Pointed things on the plants. आपने कभी देखा होगा? We call it in Hindi कांटे. कांटे होते हैं ना इन पेड़ों में, cactus में, rose में. So, some plants have thorns. Can you see the thorns on the rose plant and the cactus? Just now I told you. अगर आप कभी रोज प्लांट देखो तो यू कुड सी द पॉइंटेड थॉर्न्स ऑन द रोज प्लांट, इवन ऑन द कैक्टस. छोटे छोटे कांटे होते हैं. सो यू कैन नॉट डायरेक्टली टच दीज प्लांट्स. सम प्लांट्स आर वीक, दे नीड सपोर्ट टू स्टैंड. नाउ माय डियर चिल्ड्रन, trees are very strong, trees are big plants, can stand by their own. But my dear children, some plants are very weak. They need the support. वो अपने आप नहीं खड़े हो सकते हैं. They need the support to stand. So that plants are called climbers. That plants are called climbers. You might have seen a money plant in your houses. You know na that money plant cannot stand by its own. Money plants need the support of something. You might have seen on the walls money plant and even pea plants. Even pea plant. So that are climbers. The plants that are very weak need the support of to stand straight. That are climbers. That plants are called climbers. The money plant and the sweet pea are climbers. Now different plants have different kinds of leaves. Now my dear children, as you all know, some plants are big, some plants are small. In the same way, the leaves of each and every plant is not same. We could see varieties of leaves also. Different plants are having different varieties of leaves also. You could see here the leaf of the people tree is like this. The neem one is like this. The lotus flower is having the leaf like this. So different plants are having different types of leaves. Here are some leaves we collected in the park. Even when you visit a garden or a park, you might visit and just see. You could see different varieties of plants and trees, and you could see even that the leaves of different plants and trees are different from each other. All the plants or all the trees doesn't have the same leaves. So the shape, the size is different. So my dear students, I hope you have understood about this lesson. Now we'll be doing the exercise. We'll be doing the exercises of this lesson. Now circle the correct word in each sentence. Very big plants are called trees. Now what you will be doing, you have to circle it. Grass or neem is a small plant. Now you might have seen a neem plant. Neem is a tree. Neem is having a very big plant. So neem is a tree. Grass is a small plant. Trees or climbers are weak plants. Climbers are weak plants. They need the support of something. Cactus or grass is a plant with thorns. Just now I told you, my dear children, cactus is having pointed stings. So cactus is having thorns. The sweet pea or cactus plant is a climber. Just now I told you, need the support of something to stand. So sweet pea. So my dear students, now we will be doing the question answers.